Hello, I'm Pat Smith, the president of Jade Molds. I'm here at my factory in Zhongshan, Guangdong, China. And I wanted to talk today a little bit about the Jade way of building offshore injection molds, but to Western standards. It all starts with, we're an American company. We're a Wisconsin-based corporation. In the state of Wisconsin, we've got engineering, customer service, and sales. The engineering office in Wisconsin is staffed with 2 full-time tooling engineers. Craig Nelson, he primarily works with our clients on the DFMs and mold designs. Mike Webb, he primarily works on doing the MoldX 3D mold filling analyses that we do on every mold we build. Coming over here to China, it's also very westernized over here. I'm here at the factory every day. We've got Rob Younger and Antonio Lobo. Antonio's from Portugal. They've got a combined 80 years of tool building experience. They're overseeing everything that's going on in the factory every day. We also have Kelly Culp. He's from Atlanta. He's one of the project managers over here. So when you build a mold with Jade, it's a completely different offshore mold building experience, because from the time you start designing your mold to the time we're buying steel to when we're buying components, machining that steel, putting that mold together, getting it in a press to process it, setting up the process, doing the QC measurements, it's all supervised by Westerners with many, many years of experience. What that results in is really the mold we build here is the same mold, the same quality of mold, the same design of mold that you would have specified at a shop in America, but at offshore tooling prices. Some people say, how can you maintain those low costs, those low tooling prices, with this foreign overhead? And it really comes down to efficiency. When you do things right, and you do things right the first time, you take a lot of background noise and a lot of background work out of the equation, and that efficiency results in cost savings. It's really, that's what the American business model is built on, is efficiency driving low costs. I do want to talk about something new to Jade. We've recently opened a factory in India. Initially, it's just starting out to be an engineering department for us. The engineers in India not only are fluent in English, but they're also fluent in global tooling standards and global standards overall, whether it's various QC processes like PPAP and CPK, much more familiar with those types of things than the Chinese. And they're going to be supporting our tool building operations over here in China. To wrap things up, when you do things the Jade way, from the DFM and the start of the mold design all the way through the mold test and the QC measurements, what you get is a mold that's built to the same standards you would have done in America. Our expectation is that mold, you'll take it out of the crate, you'll clean it up, you put it in your press, and it will run because it's been tested to the same processes that you would use in your own factory. So if you'd like to find out more, please contact sales, shoot us an email via the website. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for your time.